Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to your channel, Maddie 1D2 Scientific Academy. Today our lecture is related to chapter 12, which is geometrical constructions. I'm going to explain you exercise 12A and question number 1. Your book is D1 Math NSM1. Question number 1 is draw a line segment AB of length 9.5 centimeter. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let's start the question. So students, first you have to draw a line segment of 9.5 centimeter. You will use the scale to draw the line segment. Okay, and you have to draw the line till 9.5 centimeter. So here you will start from 0 until 9.5. Okay, G. So this is 9.5. I have drawn the line till 9.5. This is A and this is B, and the length of this line is 9.5 centimeter. Actually, students, to construct the perpendicular bisector, you have to take the compass and open it to certain length. Okay, it's your choice that you can open it to any length. Okay, but remember, you will not change the length in the whole question. Okay, so take this compass and open it to the certain length, and first put it on B and draw an arc like this. Okay, G. Put on B and draw an arc. In the same way, put on A and draw an arc. Okay, now put on B and draw an arc below like this, and put on A and draw an arc below. Okay, so you have to mark two lengths up and down by putting on the points A and B. Okay, again put on B. Okay, it must cross here. Okay, now students, this is how you have to draw the line. You have to draw the arcs. Now what you need to do is, there are 2 points here. Can you see this point? You can give it the name C and you can give it the name D. Now what you need to do is, you have to join these 2 points. Okay, like this. So students, these 2 points must connect each other. So now this is your perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay students, this is how you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, you will put the compass on B, you will draw an arc above and below, and then you will put the compass on A and you will draw the second arc here above of AB and below AB. Okay, then you will connect these 2 points like this, and so this line is your perpendicular bisector. Okay students, now let's come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, draw an angle of BAC of 56 degree. Draw an angle of BAC of 56 degree. Construct the angle bisector of BC. Now we have to draw the angle bisector of BA and C. So let's start it. Students, in question number 2, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. You have to draw the angle bisector of BAC. So we do not know what is AB. So we can take any length of AB. We have to draw a line. So we can take any length. For example, here I'm taking the length of 6 centimeter. Okay. So suppose AB is 6 centimeter. I'm taking any length. Okay. As I have to draw the angle of 56 degree, and then afterwards I have to make an angle bisector BAC. So it means that I have to just remember that you always make the angle in the mid alphabet, as it is told in the question that BAC is equal to 56 degrees. So it means that you will make an angle on A. Now put the, okay, how do you know that how to make the angle? So for that you need a protractor. Okay, this is the protractor you need it to make an angle. Now what you need to do is, remember that whenever you draw any angle, can you see this line? This line must be on this line. Okay, these 2 lines must align together, and this point, can you see this point? Now this point should be on this point. Okay, like this. Students, remember that whenever you make the angle on the left hand side like this, okay, line on the line and point on the point. Achha, just remember that whenever you make the angle on the left hand side, you always follow the lower scale. When you make the angle on the right hand side, you follow the above scale. And there are 2 scales given, this blue scale and this scale. Okay, so when you are making the angle on the left hand side, you have to follow the lower scale. So as the angle is given, which is 56 degrees, so here this is 50 and this is 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 and 56. So here this is 56. I will draw the line here. Now I have drawn the angle of 56. Okay, just 56 degree. But students, it's given in the question that construct the angle bisector of BAC. Now we have to construct the angle of this. Now this is point C. Now we have to construct the angle of B. We have to construct the angle bisector of B and C. So for that, what you need to do is you have to open the compass of any length, but do not change the length now. Okay, like this. Okay, put on B and draw an arc here, and then put on C and draw an arc here. Okay, ji, always hold the compass from this stand. Okay, from this stand, so that it cannot be moved. Okay, ji. Now draw an arc here. Actually, you have drawn two arcs. First you have put the compass on B and you draw this. You have drawn this arc, and now you have put the compass on C and you drew the arc on here like this. Now to draw the angle bisector, first you put the compass on this arc and draw an arc here, and now put the compass on this point where it cuts AC. Where it cuts AC, you can give it any name. Okay, now this is the point, and you have to draw the second arc. Okay, can you see this point? Now this is the point. From this point you have to connect it with this. Okay, what is basically bisector mean? Bisect mean to divide a line, to divide anything into two equal parts. So when we draw the bisector, we divide into two equal parts. So here, now connect this point with A. So you can give it any name, D. So this is how you have to draw the angle bisector of B, A and C. I hope that it's clear to you. And now let's move forward to question number 3. So question number 3 is construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 8 centimeter, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and ABC is equal to 80 centimeter. Measure and write down the length of AC. So let's do it. Actually, first what you need to do is you have to draw a line AB 5 centimeter. Sorry, AB 8 centimeter. So take a scale and draw a straight line AB 8 centimeter. Start from 0 till 8. Okay, so this is A and this is B, and the length is 8 centimeter. So just remember that whenever the angle is given to you, and if you have to find out the length, so you know that C point we will be somewhere else over here. So whenever the length is given and whenever the angle is given, first you have to draw the angle. Okay, and angle it's given in the question that ABC is equal to 80 degree. ABC, students, remember that in the mid alphabet you always make the angle, so it means that you will make the angle on B. Okay, now put the compass on, put the protector on B. Like this. And as I have told you that whenever you make the angle on the right hand side, you have to follow the upper scale. Okay, they are saying that construct the angle of 80 degree. ABC is equal to 80 degree. Now you are making the angle on the right hand side, so you will follow the upper scale. So 80 is here. Can you see? 80 is here. Just draw the line. Just put the dot. Okay, just put the dot. And now they have told you the length of BC. They have told you the length of BC, which is 6.5 centimeter. So BC point will be here now. So BC is 6.5 centimeter. Now you have to open the now you have to take the scale and you have to measure where it comes. 6.5. But remember, we have to draw, we have to take the length from this point. Okay, from this angle. So now BC is 6.5. So I will start from 0. Okay, G. So where it comes 6.5? This is 6 and this is 6.5. Yes. Now I have to consider this point. Okay, I have to consider this point. So 6.5, I'm just measuring it from this direction. This is 6.5, this is 6.5. Okay, so come to this point. This point should come here because we are also making the angle, and the length is 6.5. So 6.5 come here, put it here, and now start drawing the line from 0, but this point should come inside. This point should come in because we are also drawing the angle of 80 degree. Now this is 80 degree angle and this point is C. Actually, now they are saying that measure and write down the length of AC. Now we have to join A and C and we have to measure its length. Okay, now join A and C. Okay, I have joined A and C. Now I'm going to measure its length. What should be its length? As soon as now we are going to measure the length. Start with 0. Here I have put it, start with 0 and see what is the length. So here this is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the length of AC is 9.4 centimeter. So this is 9.4 centimeter. Because I hope that today's lecture related to geometrical construction is clear to you. Do the practice of these sums, because when you do the practice, then this concept will be more clear to you. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.